Alright, so I'm going to draw the mountain sky here and with some mountain trees. It's just a few things I have already done, and you can see the frame here. This is the solid wooden frame, and I'm doing the acrylic painting on top of it. Stay with us and see how we paint the whole things. Alright, so this tree you can see here, I'm drawing the last one. So for the painting we just start in the middle, you can see, because when we take the acrylic color there are lots of paint here, and we just put it in the middle. Then we put the hash like this. Okay, so lots of solid lines to draw the tree here. So you can see. Okay, the top one is going to be the pointy, and the bottom one is going to be the flatter, or in a bigger radius. So these kind of mountain trees are available in European or Western countries. All right. Mhm. Sometimes in many novels and stories uh, we have heard about the pine tree. Okay, so the one side is complete. Maybe we put some black on the other side for showing the other trees here. Okay, and few white dots we're putting here. Okay, so to show the shades for the tree on one side, you can see here going from the bottom to the top. Okay. All right, so all the trees are done. Now on the top I'm going to put a moon, and when we draw the moon it's going to be a pure circle. So let's try to draw the circle with our brush. So it's a freehand style, so that's why we're just trying to make it as simple as possible. Okay. So this is the moon on the top. Okay, and three birds maybe flying here. Okay, you can see the drawing style. If you just follow the procedures, the painting is not that much tough. It's easy. And few dots here to show the stars in the sky. And as you know, as it's a night sky, so maybe the stars are smaller or bigger or different shapes of the stars. So many stars I'm going to put here, as many as possible. Okay. And the snow mountains, just putting few more white strokes from the top, just to do the elaborations of the details. Although it looks good, so after the details it's going to be better. Okay, all right. So it's a very lively drawing, and I hope you enjoy the whole thing. And you can do the practice at home and learn the paintings very easily The more you practice, the better it's going to be. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the updates. I'm just doing one more thing here because you can see all the white border, but this border we need a little elaboration. All right, so let's put a border line here with a white tone. Awesome, now it's good. Thank you so much. Have a good day.